So how many other people do you know that open packs at the top of their stairs because the background looks so beautiful? My desk is a tip. So let's do this. My first ever real box of baseball cards to open, all courtesy of Mr. Lou Olsen of the Hall of Very Good podcast. Please excuse the fingers. 2022 Diamond Kings pack. Oh, here we go. No idea what to expect out of these. Oh, they're actually real packs. Look at them. Get out of the way, box. Now, from what I've watched other people do, there's absolutely zero care taken in opening these. Straight into it. Stan Musial. It's a nice feeling card. Whit Merrifield. All these lovely looking oil painting cards. These are absolutely stunning. God, I'm too excited to care about opening these properly anyway. Random bit of stuff. Mickey Mantle card. Corbin Burns. Miggy Cabrera. Tristan Speaker. Oh, look at that. Oh, Ronald. Flying through the air. And Mookie. I do think that these are some of the best looking cards out there. Again, I like my sports cards that don't like traditional cards, with all these looking like they've been painted. This is what I like. Babe Ruth. The shoeless one. Don't know why I'm opening these upside down. Mr. Kershaw. Don Martin. Cody Bellinger. Don't like reading them, you can see the names themselves. That's a nice one. Interesting. This is sort of card that it looks like I would have designed it if I'd done it with all the shape wording cut out from other things. Ooh, nice. Again, interesting how the rookie cards are involved in these too. Them looking very different to other ones. Oh, that's a wind up. Kidding. That is ace. Let's take a moment to appreciate that. As is Tony Gwynn card too. Jose Ramirez. You can see that red light flashing on and off. It's just from the camera, don't worry, I'm not being hunted by snipers. That's ace. Neo Loot. Nice little Brewers one for you there. Last one. Ty France. Luke, these are absolutely stunning. Thanks again ever so much for sending these over. I'm forever in your debt for this. Again, I can't thank you enough for sending these over from the States for me to open, just so I've got a pack. You're a 1 in a million kind of guy, dude. Don't ever change. And as for you lovely lot, I'll chat to you soon.